The RTT5000 has 3 buttons for configuration: M, menu used to enter the menu, and long press to go back. S, shift. Z, adjustment, scroll. To do factory reset settings, press M to enter the menu. Scroll with Z to function 37, factory reset, then press M. Use it to choose yes or no. After selecting yes, long press M to go back to the main menu. Go to function 37 again. It will ask to save. Press M. You will redirect to function 36, save. Press M and confirm. The display will show resetting, followed by success. And that's it. Your Rocksensor RTT5000 is now restored to factory settings. For more details, visit our website.